Here we have a Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode on the 3 most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we will start from the Opera. To enable Incognito Mode here, just click on this little tab and switch to the private. How you can see now your secrets are safe. So now it's time for Firefox. To enable Incognito Mode on this web browser, just click here on this zero mask. If your background are purple, it means that is in the Incognito Mode. Sorry. And the last one, the Google Chrome. To open in the Google Chrome, just click here on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon and click here on the new Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.